Oh, shit.
Sunshine coming down, and that's the sound of sunshine.
Here it comes, guys.
Serious liver problems can happen. Symptoms include fatigue, appetite loss, stomach pain, and bleeding or bruising. Blood clots that can lead to death have occurred. Tell your doctor.
That's a good girl.